the perfect blend of luxury, comfort and reliability. Introducing Lexus RX200 Turbo luxury spec. While this car may be 10 years old, it only had 2 owners before, it is in excellent condition and is packed with features. Let's check it out. Have a look at this beauty. Yes, this car may be 10 years old, but the design is as current and modern as ever. Really fantastic looking, massive grille, so distinctive to the Lexus brand. Beautiful lights. I mean, look at this. Still very modern, very nice. Yes, this is a luxury spec, proper SUV. All-wheel drive, turbocharged, pumping, more than 230 horsepower to give you nice and smooth drive. Luxury spec also comes with very beautiful factory fitted 20-inch rims. I mean, guys, look at the side profile of this car. Really, what a beauty. From every angle. Have a look at behind. So nice. We have dual exhaust exit. Very nice, very sporty. Now, let's check out the boot space. Yes, the boot space in this car is absolutely massive. Just look at it. The condition is super excellent. Even this protective film haven't peeled off. So you can have this brand new car unboxing experience when you buy this. And we have this cover also for your convenience. Let's close this. Now behind, super mega spacious for your rear passenger. Beautiful seats in a super dark maroon color with beautiful red color contrast stitching. Leather condition is excellent. We also have rear passenger aircon and this fantastic looking panoramic roof. Also, these seats can be folded electrically. How luxe is that? And now, let's go in. Alright, we're inside and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Very beautiful looking cabin. First things first, we have 3-spoke steering wheel. Very nice to hold, multifunctional. It's leather with wooden inserts. I really like this very much. This is your speedometer cluster. Also, this car comes with HUD. The sun is a little bright. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but my gear selection, my RPM and my speed is displayed or rather projected on my windshield. This is your infotainment screen, nice and large. Of course, it comes with reverse camera, and this car also equipped with other cameras as well for your, there we go, 360 view, guys. Let's put it back to park. I really love this. This clock is so nice, so classy, yet the design is quite modern. It also illuminates very beautifully at night with the color. Couple of cup holders for your convenience. Very beautiful wooden trimming here. All the stitching is very nice on the dashboard, on your door, on your seats, etc. And overall, it's a very comfortable car to sit. Both seats are fully electric. Both seats come with memory setting, and this car also got comfort access. That means when you enter the vehicle, the chair and the steering wheel will adjust position for you. Of course, we have auto hold function, and both seats for the front are ventilated, so you have a very nice aircon blowing onto your back. Super shock. This is the controller for infotainment, and this is a different mode selection as well. Right, guys, have another look. Right, guys, I mean, have a look at this fantastic panoramic roof. So beautiful, and the shade can be closed as well, and the roof can be opened as well. Very nice. All right, on COE, this car we are selling with a new 10-year COE, and the depreciation is only 17,000 plus. For this Lexus, this is a super deal. Viewing is available daily in our showroom, and you all know what to do. Call me, and I'll give you a good deal.